Alright, welcome back guys, thanks very much. I hope you guys had a sample of the Great Foods ham that's available here at Fiesta Plaza of Movie Town as we continue to celebrate 5 years of Cup of Joe. Locally crafted hams right here in Sweet T&T. Guys, these hams, I've seen them with my own two eyes, locally crafted right here. We're supporting local, and Great Foods is as local as they come. One of the local chefs in the house tonight is a man they call Chef Darryl. Now, Chef Darryl has been on the show before. A lot of what you see on the show in this particular season as we celebrate 5 are segments that would have worked on the show, we'd have done, and it would have become a success, and we have stayed with it. As time passes, you chop, you change, and you stick with what works. The Star Ingredient Challenge, where we throw a product to chefs, cooks, foodies, and they create some wonderful dishes, has been an amazing segment over the years. It started as a competition right here on the show, and this guy won the competition. A quick story, I just want to give Ronnie McIntosh is still with us, guys, our celebrity taster, and joining him is Gordon, our guest taster. I want to give a quick story because this guy here is an amazing guy. He is a soldier, armed forces. He just told me he retired, but while at the armed forces, while as part of the military here in TNT, he went to TTHCI and pursued what was his passion, cooking. Qualified himself as a chef while in the army, and now he just told me that he launched his brand new cafe, Roban Sidewalk Cafe in Keith Street in Port of Spain.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Well done, well done.
So he's the Star Ingredient Challenge winner on a Cup of Joe. This was about 2 or 3 years ago, Darryl?
2015.
2015, you remember good. 2015, he won the challenge among 8 other competitors on the show. It was the first time we did competition cooking on the show, and Chef Darryl came out on top. He's back on the show as we're celebrating 5 years tonight, and he's preparing a wonderful dish using Great Foods ham. Your Baker ham.
Baker ham.
And that is all the ham you bring for the Now I'm making a whole picnic ham.
Yeah, that's
that the demonstration.
You know, it will Ronnie and Gordon and need to be there, you know.
I have a very huge one there.
You have one there? Tell us what you're doing with the Great Foods ham.
Alright, this ham was baked first.
Baked first.
Right, so
and you use the boneless picnic ham.
Use the boneless picnic ham.
I love it. 2.5 hours in the oven, in and out, you could glaze it, and it's fantastic.
Well, you know how to taste it after it come out.
You taste it after it come out?
Yeah.
You taste plenty though, because
to make sure. So what I created was ham in a cassava blanket.
Ham in a cassava blanket. All right, brother.
Well, you know I like to create.
You like to create?
Right, using cassava, because I like to stay local.
Yeah.
Using cassava, right, because you're mixing the cassava up together.
So that's cassava that you're just boil?
This is cassava you boil.
Yeah.
Right? Make sure it get real soft.
Right.
Now you don't use milk or anything like that because it will stretch too much.
Right.
Right? So you're using our local seasoning, pimento, shadow belly, ginger, garlic, right? In the mix. Then you're using butter because you don't want to use, as I said, no milk because it don't incorporate properly with the milk. Right?
Yeah.
It won't have it elastic enough.
Right.
A little bit of salt and mozzarella cheese. The only foreign thing we use in here.
Already, you see what you want to say? A little bit of salt, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of that. That's how you use cooking.
Yes. It's not what flavor is. What flavor is what you feel.
You don't measure.
You know, it's how you feel. How you feel.
And you mix up and you mash it until it like mashed potato.
Right, like a mash.
But this is the finished product here.
Oh, so that's the finished product you have here.
Right?
Mash, nice.
Mash. So this ham, you take in the mash.
So this is a nice creative dish. You have a little leftover ham, or the ham coming to an end. You could stretch it and create an entire dish.
As you see,
that's what you're getting it.
It like elastic, right? So you take it and you cover the ham.
It's like a dough, like a dough-like kind of.
Right? Take it, you cover the ham, and make sure your hand has to stay either wet,
right,
or you could use some oil on your hand so you could smoothen it off and all of that.
Right.
If you want to enhance it a little more, because we're using a sauce, right, that will create a different texture into this.
Right.
You could use some apple
That's
going right
That's
around
apples?
it. Yeah. Right? You style it now a
Yeah,
little
yeah,
bit.
style,
now.
yeah, style.
You know what we just do it.
yeah. Yes. Yes.
Right? So, and you take this and you put this in the oven on 400 degrees
Right.
for 20 minutes.
400 degrees, 20 minutes. Ronnie, you get that? Go on, you
400
get that?
degrees, 20
Yeah.
minutes. And that's apple, you said, right? That's apple you slice.
It's apple.
Apple.
Yeah, slice the
I
apple.
can
and
use
you-
pint. I can use pint.
You could use anything you
I
want.
can use right.
Because the sauce we're using is a chili caramel sauce.
Chili caramel sauce.
Mm-hmm.
All right, chef.
Right? So 1 minute.
Yeah. Well, chef, go just wash his hand. So this is chili caramel sauce. Yeah. Talk to me about the chili caramel sauce.
Oh, you want to ask you how we arriving at that?
Yeah. Talk to me about chili
How we getting
caramel.
to that point?
So caramel sweet. That's sweet and spicy kind of. Talk to us, chef.
The caramel chili sauce was my idea because of the ham and the cassava. Because from the time you cut the ham and the cassava, you have a sweet and a salt, right? But the caramel with the chili will actually balance it off and give you a very, very nice flavor. So when we plate your plate, and you taste it, then you will tell me.
Nice.
All right, you ready to plate?
Yeah.
Chef, ready to plate? So I'll come across here. You want this here?
You can stay there.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Chef, I can clear some of these here for you.
And we like the power of plating.
The power of plating. You remember that, chef? The power
Presentation.
of plating.
Presentation.
We must have that. If you don't have presentation, something wrong.
Hey. Ronnie, that's ham there, no? That's ham there, no, Ronnie?
Lamb,
That's ham. Hey.
Hey. Presentation, the man say, boy.
So cassava and ham.
Cassava. Now, you'll tell me about the caramel sauce.
Yeah.
But this is our caramel chili sauce. This is a difference. Not everybody believes in just caramel, but this is have chili in it.
Ronnie, that will be $95, please. Yeah.
Nah, more than that. More than that.
Right? $95 for
95 for the sauce.
for the sauce.
Yeah.
Take a picture. Quick picture. For Instagram. You on the gram, Ronald? You on the gram, Gordon?
You mean Snapchat
You on
live
the gram?
here?
Yeah, Snapchat? Yeah.
All
Guys,
right.
please, taste. And
Yeah,
let me know.
we
And
ain't
let me
going on
know.
there.
So it's called Chef Darryl.
Ham in cassava blanket.
Ham in cassava
Cassava
blanket.
blanket.
Ronnie, talk to me.
With the caramel.
With the caramel.
Chili caramel.
Chili caramel sauce.
Chili caramel sauce.
Let's go. Joe, you're not involved in this here, boy?
So, no, man. It's all about you, you know. I want you to leave happy tonight, you know. As long as Ronnie gets it, he happy. He happy. Watch it.
Sauce, boy. Nice. A nice little stick.
Right.
Nothing too much.
Can't put too much because you don't want it to overpower
No,
the
no, no,
caramel.
yeah.
Good now we look. Yeah? Yeah?
But it's just enough because it's not lasting.
Right.
No,
It's not lasting.
A little
no,
kick.
it's not lasting.
It's not
But
But you
lasting.
get the
And one already.
heaviness. You get the heaviness of the sweetness first, and
Yeah.
then the chili.
This
Yes.
star ingredient
That's it.
challenge here on A Cup of Joe is brought to you by the folks at the Great Foods Ham. Make sure and get their range of picnic hams all across the country. Great Foods Hams, the star ingredient challenge. This is Cup of Joe. I want to thank Chef Darryl
Yeah.
for passing by. It's flavors and fiesta, baby.